Okay, this is Valentine's evening and you can't see a thing. We're down the cabin, but we're going to show you what we're going to have. Me and Jane, we're celebrating Valentine's. This is what we're going to do. So it'll be our first. Oh yeah, here we go. Sorry, I'm just bending it. Look at that. So, starters. We've got two. Well, I can't even think what they are. I don't know what they are.
Cockles and Jacks.
Cockles and Jacks, yeah. I've done them for
Scallops.
ages. With rosemary potatoes, followed by 2 rump steaks in a peppercorn sauce. With, I don't know, I can't even pronounce that, panna cotta. Ooh, that's got a bit of greenery on it. There we go. So, is that what it is? Oh, right, yeah. Of course, we got to have the greens, which is the broccoli.
That wasn't with the...
No, we bought that separate because Jane said we better have a bit of greenery. Some love hearts. And, which is, I've not tried it, so I don't know.
Well.
And this is Jane's, and this is, yeah, you can get rid.
That's mine too.
What's it? How do you pronounce that?
Prosecco.
Oh, Prosecco. There we go. So I'll be preparing this in...
It's not just any meal.
What is it?
M&S meal.
Oh, it's an M&S. Yeah, £39 reduced to 20. Not because it's out of date or anything, just a special offer. Cool, isn't it?
Thanks, Morag.
Yeah. So then we're going to be cooking on the old faithful. Hold on, just pan you around. 2 seconds. First, I was going to like that, but now.
First things first.
So you ready for the pop? So happy Valentine, everybody. Whatever you're doing, it doesn't really matter. So Jane's got the cabin cups.
Sorry.
Be in focus. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I'm doing it as well. There's the cabin cups. Oh, blind, here we go.
Watch out.
Whoa! There you go. That's okay.
That's christened the cabin, isn't it?
That's isn't it? Put a hole in the roof. There you go. So cheers, everybody. All the best.
Is that just birch bark?
That is, well, not just, but no. Look at that, magic stuff in it. We'll have to go and collect some more of this.
Only on dead trees.
See this. I'll get some wire wool on that. I've got it, I brought it with me. Where is it? Oh, I brought it with me somewhere. Is it over there, Janie? This is what we're fitting, because this is what's happening on the top. The rain's coming down, and because the top, I don't know why the top section fits inside, so the rain, you can see that it's going down inside and coming down, so that's why we bought this.
It make it rusty.
Yeah, I know, because it's cast, isn't it? We enjoyed this, me and Jane just thought we could put this on the roof tonight, but we've got that storm, what?
Dennis
coming, that's stupid.
Dennis
So,
the Menace.
if I put it on, it lifts it, we might take it from where we won't find it again. So I'll leave it for now, and I'll put a couple of little slits in here, and then put a Jubilee clip round it. Okay, here's your scallops. Well, this is not just any old scallop.
Oh.
This is M&M scallops.
M&S.
No, it's not. It's not.
Do you want to try that again?
Yeah. Right, ready? This is not just any old scallops. These are M&S scallops. Remember that advert?
Yeah. Cockles and Jacks.
There you go. So really what you want to do is just make a bit of an envelope. So I'm going to put it like that. And just... Yeah?
That's good enough. We'll get like 4 hours.
You big enough?
It's going to be too hot.
Beautiful.
Roast them.
Roast them on the foil wrap. So that should be enough on there. Look, I put them on there. Right, you ready? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm ready. This is a poker. There you go.
Oh, that's right. That's just the feel of heat. Yeah. Hold on. They might have to overlap each other a little bit. Is that all right? Like so.
Well, we'll try them in a few minutes. What time is it?
There you go. I'm not going to waste any of these herbs, so I'm going to cook broccoli in the juices. Yeah?
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Think about all the plastic, isn't it? No,
Yeah.
we'll sort it.
You don't want a lot of broccoli, do you?
Right.
That'll do.
It's not my favourite.
James just wanted to check that she put her finger in the middle and it wasn't as hot as we like it. So, just in case, especially with fish and scallops and whatnot, we'll talk about put them on the top and we'll try and get some good heat. That's why I've stoked up the log burner, so we can get some good heat coming up and we'll give these scallops a good, I think, the broccoli's going to come off now because of the boiling, it's boiling. Let's have a look. Whoa! Yoo-hoo-hoo! That was hot. Right, don't do that. Let me stick my finger in the scallop. Sorry, scallop. Right, it's just getting warm. Oh, that's getting hot now. So that's cooking now from the bottom. So we'll leave that now for another 5-6 minutes. Should be alright, so that's getting warm. So I've opened the door slightly, giving it more draft, giving it more zoof. I've enveloped the potatoes because they're not quite done yet. It's all experiment we've learned about this. It doesn't matter whether it's an Outbacker or whatever stove it is, that you've got to learn how the stove works so you can accommodate how to cook on it properly, can't you really? Huh?
It's unpredictable.
Unpredictable, that's a good word.
Yeah.
It's an unpredictable cooking facility. So you've got to... Let's see, it makes it even better. Let's give that a shake. And then you stick your finger in your food.
Do you want the first aid kit?
Oh, struth. They're ready. Holy moly, is that burnt?
Okay then. Do you want to find the foil then? Do you want the gloves?
Is it? Ooh.
Do you want gloves?
No, I'm alright with the foil.
You sure?
Whoa, that's hot.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, this one. Okay. Oh. There we go. It is hot. You can see the steam rising off it. Look at that. Right, let's give it a taste test.
Hang on. Sultry voice.
Let's give it a taste test.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful.
Do you remember when we got the scallops? Look at that. That is a whole scallop.
You've got a whole scallop in there.
Yeah, there's no coral.
Oh right, you got just a scallop. The coral is the orange bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. The scallop is the white bit, and you've got to cook it to perfection, which we have done because we are professional cooks in the cabin.
Fish needs to be white, not seafood. Yeah, they are only thin.
Don't need much.
Well, we don't usually have a 3-course meal, do we?
No, never. Peppercorn sauce. Right, hot water in there is boiling, so I'm going to put the peppercorn sauce in with the hot water.
For now.
Warm the sauce up.
Okay.
See?
Yes.
All. There we go.
Better stuck the bottom.
Actually not bad.
Looks like a piece of fish.
It does look like salmon, you know. There we go. There we go. He's done.
How's the spuds?
They're done as well. Shall we try a spud? How much you want?
Not half.
Yeah, sure.
Yep.
Good more there, Jay, if you want some more.
I'm okay for now.
There you go.
Mm.
Take that off there. Sorry, hold on 2 seconds. What do you want? 2?
Yes, please.
Oh, there's a small one there. You quite like that, don't you? There you go.
There you go.
Then I'll do peppercorn sauce in a second.
Shouldn't have with plastic, but you know.
Yeah.
Needs must.
There we have. Just a dessert to come in a minute, yeah?
Names.
So a 3-course meal, rump steak, broccoli,
We could have actually chosen all sorts
mini roast potatoes.
of different. But
yeah.
We chose the roast potatoes.
Oh, there we go. You tried your sauce yet?
Mm.
Got a bit of a kick, hasn't it?
It has actually.
Woo-hoo.
Nice.
Mm. Tried your steak yet?
No. I'm
Okay.
just trying to find my knife.
My steak, because James using the knife.
I can
No, I can't be asked to get it. I just bit through that easy.
Yeah.
That is beautiful and tender, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. No more thanks. Enjoy being Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yeah.
Also, just to let you know, it's British beef as well.
It says on the back.
Born and bred. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice. Clean the skillet. And we'll take these back with us and then give them a good clean when we get home. Because, I mean, you know, it's pretty clean.
You scald it.
Yeah. That's what we do.
Here we go. Panna cotta. Pink gin.
That's yummy. You tried it?
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
I'm sorry. We're using forks, by the way, it's fine.
Is it cheese?
I don't know. What's panna cotta? Everybody knows what panna cotta is.
Well, yeah, it's quite popular apparently, but
Is it? I don't know.
well, yeah, it is. It's like creme brulee without the bit on the top. So all we've got now left
Is it more chocolate?
is chocolates,
Oh my.
and obviously you ate all the pudding, so you don't want any chocolate, do you?
You can have them. You can have them.
I don't want them. It's fine.
Love is sharing your last chocolate.
Oh, that's not a good one.
Nice one.
Oh, it looks like a bum.
I think that's it, isn't it, Janie?
Yeah.
We're going to make our way back. The temperature in the cabin at the moment is
We're
at
staying over, aren't we?
19.5 degrees.
Oh, caramel in the middle.
Oh. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. And on the subscribe, just at the side of it, there's a notification bell. If you click that, you'll be notified of any more videos coming out. We've got a lot more to do this coming year, from boating, fishing. What else are we doing? Got lots of planting to do. Got loads, haven't we? So, yeah, please.
Weeding.
Yeah. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks very much.
You're stuffed.
Yeah, absolutely. To the brim.